Sage, guess what we got? Why you always look away when I put the camera on you? We got some bare root strawberries from this company. I've never used them before. Burpee. It's gonna be my first time using them. We'll see how they work out. Bare root strawberries. Sage, you excited? Take that as a no. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know how it go. What up, y'all? So, I got these bare root strawberries that I'm getting ready to plant. Got them from this company, Burpee. I think I told you about it earlier in the previous video, but it was late when I got home, so we're gonna go on and this is how they come in the package. It's moist in there. What I like to see though, see the little greenery in there. That means that they're still alive. So I've done bare root strawberries before. They actually turned out pretty good. They were better than I had some plants that had already were established, and this actually worked out better. They had more strawberries on them. But we're gonna get to planting, and I'm gonna show y'all what I do. This is where I had my strawberries last year. So I'm gonna add some more potting soil in here, a little bit of manure, and just to top it off and mix it up. And we'll see. And we're gonna put them right here, and I have another one over here that I'm planning on using.